this video, I'll be showing you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is I already have one WhatsApp account right here. If I go ahead and click on it, it's going to show as normal. Maybe I want a second account or, like use a second number on WhatsApp as well. I can obviously use a browser version of WhatsApp using the desktop application or anything like that. But what I want to go ahead and do instead is go over to settings, then go ahead and press search, and then I can type in dual app like so, and it's going to show dual messenger as one of the options. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is I'm going to be able to sign into a second account. It's going to show me the available apps that I have supported. WhatsApp is one of them. All I'm going to do is install a second copy of WhatsApp. It says you'll be able to sign into another WhatsApp account. Go ahead and press confirm, and then I can use a separate contacts list if I want to, or just use my regular contacts. Go ahead and press OK,